Ever found yourself scavenging in the kitchen for a snack only to regret your choice later? You're in good company. Our journey today is a commitment to overhaul our snacking habits. The quest for healthier snacks is significant, especially when quick choices like chips and cookies tempt us away from our health and weight loss goals. Choosing the right snack is critical. It's not just about curbing hunger, it's about decisions that nourish, energize, and help us meet our weight loss objectives without feeling deprived. With a bit of knowledge and creativity, we'll see that snacking can indeed be a delightful, guilt free element of our day. So, with hope and curiosity by our side, let's uncover the wholesome treasures that await us. Continuing our transformative journey, today we dive deeper into the essence of healthy snacking. Envision snacks not only fulfilling your cravings, but also aiding your weight loss journey. We'll explore the crispy allure of kale chips and the smooth, satiating flavors of avocado toast. Each snack is a step forward in our health journey, with kale chips providing a guilt-free crunch loaded with nutrients, and avocado toast acting as both a culinary canvas and a fiber-rich, weight loss-friendly option. What elevates these snacks is their simplicity to prepare, making healthy choices easily achievable for everyone. Their benefits are immense. Each serving acts as fuel, boosting metabolism and aiding fat loss, all while keeping you satisfied and full of energy. This is the new definition of snacking, where every bite is a conscious choice towards well-being. The journey, however, is far from over. These snacks form a foundation for developing diverse, healthy eating habits. With creativity and flavor, diet transformation becomes not just attainable, but enjoyable. Let the thrill of discovery guide you. The snacks we've covered signify that with deliberate choices, a lifestyle overhaul, one snack at a time, is within grasp. Remember, every kale chip or slice of avocado toast is a stride towards a healthier, more fulfilled you. As we continue to explore the vibrant world of healthy eating, every selection brings you closer to your weight loss aspirations. As we approach the close of our shared adventure, let's reflect on our discoveries, from kale chips' crispness to avocado toast's creamy satisfaction. Each snack marked a step not just towards quelling hunger, but towards a transformation in our health and well-being. Equipped with these tantalizing options, you're on the brink of a new wellness chapter. The choices now in your hands empower you to make each snack a victory for your health. This isn't the end, but the start of your journey into healthy eating's vast, flavorful possibilities. With every choice, you're not just eating better, you're setting the course for a healthier, more vibrant existence. Here's to your journey towards snacking success. May your choices reflect your hopes. Embrace transformation, exploration, and the opportunity to flourish.